In this video, we are going to see the answers of 6th Standard Science Workbook. Term 3, Unit 4, Worksheet number 16. Topic is Our Environment. Choose the appropriate answer. First question, ozone depletion in the atmosphere is mainly caused by. Answer is option C, chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC. Second question, Exnora is based on dash scheme. Answer is option A, zero waste management. Third question, find out the biotic factors of environment. Answer is option D, bacteria and wild animals. Fourth question, the egg cells of birds become thin by the pesticides. This is due to the interference in the activity of. Answer is option C, CA ATPase. Fifth question, Rama's father worked in a factory for a long time. He seems to be mentally as well as physically ill. What may be the reason for his illness? Answer is option B, noise pollution. Sixth question, write true or false. Open wells are fed by groundwater. True. B, life is possible on earth without water. Answer is false. C, saline water is fit for drinking and other domestic, agricultural and industrial needs. Answer is false. Next D, evaporation of water takes place at all times. Answer is true. E, concrete land surfaces increases the seepage of rainwater into the ground. Answer is false. Seventh question, 4 sets of living organisms belonging to different feeding types in the ecosystem is given below. Which of the following is correct? Answer is option A, set 1. In set 1, producers are more numbers than primary consumers, secondary and tertiary. Then primary consumers are more number than the secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. Then the secondary consumer are more number than the tertiary consumers. So option A is correct. Eighth question, Geeta smelled unpleasant odor from the dustbin, which is spilled vegetables and fruit waste. After asking her mother, she understood that unpleasant odor is due to dash gas, which is the result of fermentation. Answer is option A, methane. Ninth question, group the given list into terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. We have to fill this column. So terrestrial ecosystems are forest, mountain, desert and garden. Then aquatic ecosystems are sea, river, lake and pond. 10th question, classify the renewable and non-renewable sources of energy from the following list. From this we have to separate renewable and non-renewable energy sources. See, write renewable energy sources: wind energy, solar energy, hydropower energy. And non-renewable are thermal energy, petroleum energy and biomass energy. 11th question, list the biodegradable materials, any 5, to be dumped in the pit for preparing manure for kitchen garden in school premises. First is vegetable and fruit peels. Next, leftover food. C is garden waste. D is egg cells. And E is paper towels. 12th one, write 4 slogans to create awareness on solid waste management. Example, cleanliness is next to godliness. A, reduce, reuse, recycle. B is be a green and recycle mission. C is bin less, recycle more. And D is our country is our identity. Keep it clean. 13th question, name the 4 types of consumers in ecosystem in relevance with the topic level 1. I marked in this diagram. First is herbivores, next is carnivores and then omnivores and then decomposers. 14th question, list 4 things that we use in day-to-day life which also can be reduced, reused and recycled. Let's see the reduced things first. sharing newspaper, write both sides on paper, use cloth carry bag, use electronic facilities instead of printing the paper. Then reused things, use rechargeable battery, reuse glass bottles, repair footwear and use fountain pens. Then recycled things, old cloths to make paper, melting plastic to make floor mats, reuse of plastic containers and coffee cans. 15th question. Have you ever heard of worm farm? See the picture and answer the following. First question. What is happening in the picture? That is vermicompost. Next, how to make worm farm. Take a worm bin and make bedding by adding 2-3 inches of soil. Then fill the bin by bio waste, paper and food waste. Then place few earthworms in it. Sprinkle water and close the bin and ensure moisture all time. After 24 days, new worms are introduced. 16th question. Pick out the biodegradable materials from the given picture. From this picture, we have to find out the biodegradable materials. See, biodegradable materials are dry leaves, old papers, old cloths and animal bones. 17th question. Look at the pictures and mention the type of pollution and their major causative agents. First one is air pollution, that is caused by burning solid waste and burning of fossil fuels. And the next one is noise pollution, caused by loud music, sound of motor vehicles, fireworks and machine sound. Next is land pollution, excess use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers on land and mining. Next is water pollution, waste from factories, houses and farms mixed with rivers. 18th question. Identify the dustbins and find out the type of waste collected. We have to find out what type of waste are collected in the different colors of dustbins. So first one is yellow bin, biomedical waste, and green bin is used for biodegradable waste. Then blue bin is used for non-biodegradable waste. And red bins are used to collect domestic hazardous waste.